Planting tomatoes successfully involves several key steps to ensure healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Here are some tips for planting tomatoes. Choose the right location. Select a site that receives at least 6–8 hours of sunlight per day. Tomatoes thrive in full sun. Ensure the area has well-drained soil with good fertility. Prepare the soil. Before planting, work the soil to a depth of about 12 inches. And amend it with organic matter such as compost or aged manure to improve fertility and drainage. Aim for a slightly acidic soil, pH around 6.0–6.8. Select the appropriate variety. Consider factors such as the size of your garden space, desired tomato type determinate or indeterminate, and disease resistance when choosing tomato varieties. Some popular choices include Early Girl, Celebrity, Roma, and Better Boy. Timing: plant tomatoes outdoors after the danger of frost has passed and soil temperatures have warmed to at least 55°F13°C. In most regions, this is typically in spring, after the last frost date. Planting: dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball of the tomato plant. Remove the lower leaves from the stem and plant the tomato deep, burying the stem up to the first set of leaves. This encourages the plant to develop a strong root system. Spacing: space tomato plants 18–36 inches apart, depending on the variety and growth habit. Provide adequate room for air circulation to help prevent diseases. Support: install stakes, cages, or trellises to support indeterminate tomato varieties as they grow. This keeps the plants upright and helps prevent branches from breaking under the weight of the fruit. Watering: water newly planted tomatoes thoroughly to settle the soil around the roots. Afterward, water consistently to keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Avoid overhead watering to reduce the risk of foliar diseases. Mulching: apply a layer of organic mulch such as straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing: tomatoes are heavy feeders, so fertilize regularly throughout the growing season. Start with a balanced fertilizer at planting time and continue to feed every few weeks with a fertilizer formulated for tomatoes. Pruning and maintenance: remove suckers, the small shoots that develop in the leaf axils, to encourage stronger, more productive plants. Monitor for pests and diseases and take prompt action if issues arise. By following these tips, you can plant tomatoes successfully and enjoy a plentiful harvest of delicious, homegrown fruit.